This is a question from Edexcel International GCSE Accounting May 2020 R series. The question requires the examinees to prepare J's account. So let's find out how to approach such questions in exam. Before we move forward, you need to know that such questions are asking to make individual supplier or customer account. Your first job is to identify the question asks to make whose account. This question is asking to make J's account. So, who is J? Is J a supplier or customer? You're gonna get to know this from this line here which says Leon owes J. So if Leon owes money to J, then J must have supplied goods to Leon. Therefore, J is a supplier and suppliers are trade payables. Make a note of this somewhere along with the fact that trade payables are liability. Let's move on. Start making entries on the ledger account. Start with the balance brought forward. The balance forward is the balance in the beginning of the year, which is $12.50 in this question. We put this on the credit side because trade payable is liability, so it's credit, which you should know from ACILE rule. Put the beginning of the month date, which is the 1st of March 2020. The next transaction says purchased goods. We put this on credit side because it increases the trade payables balance as you now owe more to J. So J's balance increase, which is an increase in liability, therefore credit. Be careful about the details. You got to write the name of the source book where the amount goes to. In this case it's purchase day book. And of course the date is important. The next transaction is purchase returns, which means Leon is not satisfied with some of the goods he purchased from J on the 3rd of March. So he returns them to J and we need to show this returns on the account. Returning the items back will reduce J's balance in your books because now Leon owes less to J. Therefore, it's a reduction in liability and comes on the debit side. Don't forget to put the date. The next transaction is a payment made to J. Leon paid the balance on the beginning of the year, $12.50, on the 23rd of March. However, you cannot just put the value like other transactions because you're getting a cash discount of 2%. So we got to calculate separately the value after 2% discount. The before discount is $12.50 and we apply the percent decrease equation after discount is equal to before discount multiplied by 1 minus R by 100. The R is the discount. Substitute the values and then you get $12.25, which is the after discount value. Now we can put this value on the account on the debit side because a payment to trade payable reduces Leon's liability and decrease in liability is a debit. The details is cash book because payments go to cash book. Once you have finished putting your transaction, your next job is to calculate the total on both sides. So I get $12.63 on debit side while I get $18.65 on credit side. I put the highest value on both sides, so I replace the $12.63 with $18.65. And then I calculate the difference on the lower side but subtracting the individual transactions in the lower side from the total. The difference is called balance carried down and then I bring the same value down and call it balance brought down. Dates are very important. Balance C.D. is end of month date, which is the 31st of March 2020, and balance B.D. is beginning of next month date, which is the 1st of April 2020. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment down below which question from Edexcel IGCSE Accounting you want me to demonstrate next. Have a good day and I will see you in my next video.